Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and we're doing headstands. So the headstands, this is an exercise that'd be very super advanced, and probably a lot more men will find it more pleasurable than women just based on our necks, right? And where our strength is. This is Brad. He's here because I might need a spot. We'll find out. We don't know how this is going to turn out. So typically it's done on 2 springs. On my body, I do it on 1 spring, and you don't have to do all of the parts, okay? So there's many variations of this. I'm going to show you just the simplest one. If you also watch my workshop that I have on onlinepilatesclass.com called The Reformer on the Mat, I show you some mat exercises you could do to prepare you for this. So I definitely check that out. I took my hair bun out because you can't have it and be on your head. So what you're going to do is place your head where you'd place it, like the top of your forehead, kind of just 2 fingers away from your forehead on the crease of your headrest, and then you come up into a pike. And then I don't have a lot of weight on my hands right now. I'm not going to push with my hands either. I'm actually going to reach down through my head and lift up through my center and push with my legs. And I try to get beyond straight and even try to pull my hips towards the carriage without sinking. And then I lift my ribs up, reach the tailbone down, try not to pop the ribs out here so it's not a down dog. And then again, I push out, I lower the hips down, and then I'm going to lift my ribs up and reach my tailbone down. And then there's another one. And again, I'm going to reach the hips and come up. You can get super awesome at this, and then you can put your hands, both of them behind your head or behind your lower back, and do this without hands. I cannot. So that's just where I am right now. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to keep the carriage closed, and then I'm going to take one leg up, and I'm going to reach down through my head and up through my legs and find a headstand. And then you can take both legs down. I'm going to just do one. Find the foot bar with both legs. Step to the floor. Roll all the way up. Thank you for being here for moral support. There's a funny story. I'll tell you I have Brad. So my teacher, Jay Grimes, we don't know his age. We know his name. We don't know his age. He will be like, oh yeah, I'm right here. I'm right here for you. And so you're like doing your headstand exercise, and he's like, don't worry, I'm right there. Go ahead, go up. And then he walks away. And so he's not there, but he's there for moral support. So thank you. And thank you for watching this. I'll have the other headstand version in another video, so make sure you check it out on our Reformer playlist here. If you have questions about it, please put it in the comments below. And not every exercise is for every single person. So it's totally okay if you aren't here yet, or if you don't get here for a long time, or if you never do. I don't often do these in my practice, so it's okay if you don't as well. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.